Unseasonably cold air continues to spill into the Great Lakes region. As you can see, quiet with great visibility this morning. The clouds are moving back in, looking off to the west out over Wyoming. This is our viewpoint from the University of Michigan Health West. Downtown Grand Rapids visibility great as well. May see a few slippery spots, a few icy patches here and there, especially in some of those neighborhood streets, on some of the secondary and side roads, and certainly the potential on the sidewalks and driveways and parking lots. But for the most part, again, we are looking to just cold and quiet conditions today. Clouds thickening after all that sunshine yesterday. We picked up 33% available sunshine, the sunniest day so far in 2025. Today the clouds thicken, more snow develops late tonight into the day tomorrow. A widespread 1 to 3 inches right along the Lake Michigan shoreline, within about 5 to 10 miles really of the Lake Michigan shoreline. And as the unseasonably cold pattern continues, we'll have occasional waves of snow working through over the next several days. 24 degrees in Grand Rapids, 23 in Greenville, Ionia, Lansing, Hastings, down toward Battle Creek and Allegan, 26 in Holland, 28 degrees this morning in Muskegon. And if we turn our attention upstream, this is where we're going to be tapping this air mass across the northern plain states. 10 below the current air temp in International Falls, at 0 in Grand Forks, North Dakota, 11 in Sioux Falls. And as we take a look at the national scene, boy, you can see a lot of the country in the deep freeze. 29 degrees this morning in Atlanta, a chilly 48 in Tampa. And you factor in the winds here, we've got a wind chill of 17 degrees in Atlanta, 20 in Memphis, 14 in St. Louis, and the wind chill is 17 below in Bismarck. So again, with high pressure in control, we continue to funnel in that cold Canadian air, and that is going to be the big weather story here over the next several days. And unfortunately for folks to our south, with power outages because of that snow and ice event, even though the precipitation, as you can see, has cleared out, definitely looking at the aftermath situation with power crews desperately trying to get that power restored before the really cold air settles in. Overall, here's a look at our future track, and as you can see, we've got an upper level disturbance that'll be dropping through right along the Lake Michigan shoreline and down into extreme southwest lower Michigan. That's where we're going to see the snowfall this time around. We'll see some breaks in the clouds developing in our inland areas tomorrow, and more widespread sunshine developing on Thursday. And as we check out the amounts of snow we're expecting with this Clipper system, you'll certainly notice those deep dark blues that are be hugging the lakeshore from Grand Haven and Holland, Saugatuck, Douglas, down to Allegan, Hamilton, South Haven, into Benton Harbor and St. Joe. Now, our Super 7-day planner will show you that unseasonably cold air continues to hold on. Remember, our average high is now at 32 degrees. Temperatures don't even reach the 30-degree mark right through the middle of the early part of next week. And this is the 8 to 14-day outlook, which takes us through January 20th. And you can see temperatures cold to much colder than average across almost the entire country, including the mid-Atlantic states, the Carolinas, down into Florida. So yeah, a lot of cold air on the map, and it's going to stick around for a while.